Hello and welcome to Doherty Library's video tutorials. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate using the Education Source database. Education Source is a wonderful database that provides indexes and abstracts for more than 2,800 academic periodicals, full text for more than 1,800 journals, and citations for over 4 million articles related to education research. And all you need is your CELT ID and password to access it. Let's get started now. To find the database Education Source, we're going to start at the library webpage, library.sttom.edu. In the middle of the page, select Browse Databases. And then from there, you can either select the database by title, so we could go to E for Education Source, or we could go right here to Subjects and click and find Education that way. And there it is right at the top, so we're going to click that. And here is our database. So you can enter your keywords from your research topic in the research boxes. For more focused results, combine your keywords with the Boolean operator AND. To expand your results, add alternate keywords with the Boolean operator OR. In the middle of the page here, you can refine your results, so we could check peer reviewed right here. And then we could find it from the last 5 years, so I'll put in 2017. And then in the end year, I'll put 2022. And we will hit search. So this shows us all of our search results right here. Again, on the left-hand side, we also have options to apply equivalent subjects or expand our search with related words. And then you can limit, as you can see, to full text. And then if you forgot to check peer reviewed or your publication date, you could also do that here. And we also have source types such as academic journals, conference papers, and books. Another really neat feature of the Education Source database is the Thesaurus function up here. So I'm going to click that. The Thesaurus is basically a list of all the descriptors and subject terms that Education Source uses to organize its materials. Every article in Education Source has these descriptors. This is how Education Source combines articles together based on these descriptors. They are helpful to you to produce better search results related to your topic. To find descriptors that are relevant to you in Education Source, start off by doing a relevancy ranked search. So let's search for comprehension and then click the one that comes up at the top. Notice that Education Source doesn't produce just a simple list, but also provides additional terms that are related to the one your search produced. They also include a definition of the term. In this case, we can see that it includes broader terms such as cognition and cognitive processing of language, as well as narrower terms such as listening and reading comprehension. You also would want to look through the related terms here in case they may be relevant to your research topic. If you click on any of these terms, you go into the source entry for that term. Let's click reading comprehension. In order to add it to your search, you can click it and then hit add here. And it pops up in the search bar up here. Then you can click search. And it limits our results to over 12,000. You can always add an additional term in the extra text or extra search boxes in order to get narrower results more relevant to your research topic. This concludes our video on how to use the Education Source database. If you have any questions, you can stop by the reference desk in the library, email us, or chat with your librarian at askus.sttom.edu. Thank you.